듯이 날 가둬둔 그 벽에 갇혀 날 부르는 너의 목소리 You're blowing up my heart bang, bang. 서로의 목격자 Yeah you and I 서로의 listener 믿고 있잖아 우리의 완벽한 harmony 정말 아름다워 제멋대로 멋대로 여긴 우리만의 universe 눈치 따위 볼 것 없이 그저 자유로운 이 순간 You and me
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being a great inspiration to all of us. Thank you so much for coming here and extending for 3 days. I know you're all tired from your busy schedules and I want to say 당신은 훌륭한 인류했다. Always remember that we, your engines, will always be by your side, soaring and flying high together. 사랑해요. 잘 지냈어요.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for giving us engines a huge motivation. School makes me stress, but you're there to give me rest. I'm a source of happiness. My 7 lovely boys, you are always in my heart. You said, be a better man than yesterday. But what if we tell you that you're already the man we wanna give way? Just always remember that millions of engines are here, willing to stay.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for saving me in the darkest time of my life. I love you and I will always support you.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being my greatest happiness.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being our constant. Mahal namin kayo!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for showing us the true definition of life by giving us happiness and love. You will always be the light in our darkness.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being the bridge which connected me to the world of K-pop.
It's a part of my life na never regrets. Kaluguranda ka,
We
ENHYPEN!
love you so much!
Mahal namin kayo!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for teaching me again how to love unconditionally and just for existing. I'll always be here for you, my 7 stars. Mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN! Yeah!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being the apple of my eye, mango of my pie, palaman of my tinapay, vitamins in my gulay, wind when I pay, tungkod when I'm pilay, wings when I fly, cure to my aray, answer to my why. In short, you're the center of my buhay.
Shout out ENHYPEN for being my source of happiness and motivation through another year.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being our pahinga.
We go shout, shout, shout. Shout out to ENHYPEN for being my strength, inspiration, and love of my life. You guys are the main character in my life. My life without you is a misery. Thank you for existing. Saranghe!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for making my life more meaningful during my darkest days. Thank you for loving us engines. Continue the hard work and always remember, we got your back. Fighting!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for bringing me out of the dark, for making me love myself even more, and for helping me be a better person. I'm so proud of you guys, and I hope you have an amazing time here in the Philippines. Love you guys so much.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being my inspiration and motivation in my ACADS, and also we are excited to see you and make memories today. Mahal na mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN, and also Nikki, I love you. See you!
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being my source of happiness and comfort zone. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me and for us and Jeans. We are so proud of you guys. We love you.
Shout out to ENHYPEN for being my source of happiness and courage.
Mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN!
Mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN!
Higugma ka mo, ENHYPEN!
Mahal ko kayo, 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 ENHYPEN!
Higugma mo na po kayo, ENHYPEN! City with love!
Mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN!
Walang gakamunamon, ENHYPEN!
Mahal ko kayo, ENHYPEN.
I attend the kayo launay ENHYPEN.
이젠 소리쳐서